Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandy if you're new, and you all, I'm so excited to share what I'm going to share with you all today. I received the sweetest letter in the mail and some happy mail along with it, and it made my day. So let's jump in and I'll show it to you. All right, you all, so this was the envelope that I received in the mail, and I guess technically it is happy mail, but I don't know, maybe not. You'll have to tell me. I just wanted to cover up the addresses, but I wasn't expecting it, and I love this paper. I guess she made this envelope, I don't know. So I'm like, what is this? Who's this from? And then when I saw the name, I knew exactly who it was from. So the woman who purchased my green junk journal, and I'll have the video at the end of this video and down below, sent me this wonderful, wonderful letter. And I talked with her and asked her if I could show this. But she said, I have your lovely handmade junk journal in my hands, and I have neglected a chore or two today while enjoying it from cover to cover and in between as well. The ephemera and clusters, stamps, postcards, and so much more are so inspiring to look at. The gator mouth with its tassel so original is a paper blessing to me. How sweet it is that I am the woman who snagged it from your Etsy store for the price you offered. And she goes on and tells me some other sweet things as well. And you all, I mean, my heart just sung. I had been having a really stressful couple weeks at work, and this just, I mean, made my day. In addition to that lovely note, you all, she made me some stuff. Look at this beautiful card she made. Sending smiles and picture perfect, and this little butterfly. And isn't that a beautiful, I love this slim A-line card. I'm so excited. I really have to figure out who do I want to send this to. It's so pretty. So she made me that, and I absolutely love it. And then she also, you all, look at this beautiful tuck pocket, double pocket thing that she made. And she was saying, oh, I'm not very good, you know. I'm like, yes, you are, Erica. So if you're watching, Erica, this is gorgeous. I mean, look at the little lace right there and the birds. And she made this out of book page. And you have a pocket here and a pocket here and a pocket here. And then I love all these stickers and die cuts she put on here. And then this tag, look, she has some tags in here. I mean, isn't that just gorgeous? I mean, that's just, I think it's stunning. I love it. And it's right up my style. I'm like, how? She nailed it. Nailed my style. I mean, I love flowers. I love birds. This little ticket. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And she did some stitching up top and bottom. And then there's another tag. And this tag, look at it, you all. I love this pink music paper right here. And the bird cage. Be happy. Just so pretty. And then another tag. And look at this. It says many thanks. And I love this bee. And it's almost like she did a distressed or an ink finish. Erica, you'll have to tell me how you made that. But so pretty. And then one more tag. And this one, look at it. Love this pink lace paper. And the do less with more focus. I really needed to hear that. That was a great tip. So anyway, Erica, thank you so much. I wanted to share this with you all. It made my day. Loved it, loved it, loved it. And on top of that, then I was on her YouTube channel, and she's a real newbie to YouTube, but I saw this video and I'm like, wait a minute, that looks familiar. And she did an unboxing of my junk journal, you all. It was the sweetest thing. I couldn't believe it. And I will link that down below as well, so you can check that out. But that was just so sweet of her. And Erica, thank you so much for letting me share your stuff. It is just absolutely beautiful. And I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick video and share this with you all. Um, I've never received Happy Mail before. I know I've watched other YouTubers where they've received Happy Mail, and I was like, oh, I didn't think that was that big of a deal. But it was so neat to get something in the mail, and something so special and handmade. And this letter, oh my gosh, I will treasure this. I can't wait to put this in my journal and journal about this experience, and you know, put all and use some of these in my different tags. I might even include these, you know, in some of my other journals that I'm working on and making, that I'm going to sell. So one of you all might get one. So thank you all so much who subscribed to my channel. I am nearing 200 subscribers, and I never thought that would happen. So here's a little heads up, you know, a little alert tip for people. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, then please subscribe, because I have some surprises coming up in the next week or two, just to say a way to say thank you to all my viewers. And I will be posting that probably in the next week or so. So again, just want to say thanks to everybody, and I love sharing my stuff with you guys and love hearing the feedback. So thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video.